The region of Extremadura, located in the southwest of Spain and bordering Portugal, wants to become a unique, innovative and growing region to turn into an international leader in those sectors in which we specialize. The government of Extremadura has worked together with the civil society to visualize a roadmap which can enable us to achieve our goal. We must converge with Europe and work together with an industrialization strategy that enhances our industrial competitiveness in all areas and decision-making spheres at the local, regional, national and European levels. The European Commission has set a target for the industry share in GDP to rise from 16% to 20% by 2020, and Extremadura believes strongly in the rebirth of European industry. To this goal, the government of Extremadura is working on a strategy to upgrade the industrial structure and encourage the use of new technologies. As many as 1,600 million euros will be invested over the next 7 years, seeking to attract investors and generate wealth and employment in the region. The guidelines to achieve this goal include an attractive corporate tax policy, new financing possibilities through venture capital funds focused on selected industrial sectors, a network of innovative clusters in different parts of the region, and support for research and development projects through public research centers. These would be implemented with simultaneous administrative simplification measures. The government of Extremadura wants to welcome the representatives of the European People's Party on October 24th in Badajoz, where the conference Innovative Solutions for the European Industrial Renaissance will review the next steps and the state of play of this strategy. See you there!